Hi, Dr. Jones. For my lesson, I did health education. That was the subject. And for my lesson, the unit's title is called Sharing is Caring. And just an overview of my class, overview of the class. It's grade 1, which is first grade, of course, the ages 6 and 7, maybe some 5-year-olds. It was 23 students, a mixture of boys and girls, and the lesson length is 30 to 40 minutes. For the context, my classroom is very diverse. It consists of 11 boys and 12 girls. Like I said, the ages are between 6 and 7. The class is made up of African Americans, Asians, Caucasians, Hispanics, and others. There are no IEPs. It's a suburban community, and the population is about 20,000. It's a mixed class, workers, and there's ESL students or students that speak Spanish in the class. For the objective for this unit, it is students will be able to demonstrate the ability to share objects in time, and the connection is PLEP 1.1.1, and the students will identify effective social interaction skills, identifying emotions, listening, cooperation, etiquette, politeness, communication, sharing, empathy, following directions, and making friends that promote responsible and respectful behavior. So this goes right along with the objective and the connection. So for this unit, for this lesson plan, the procedures would be to talk about sharing. I will ask the students, what are the ways of sharing? How do you share? Just to strike up a class discussion. I will talk about the experiences that students have had with sharing, and if anybody's ever not shared with them, and how did they feel when they didn't share with them. And then we would read a book called It's Mine by Leonini. And after the book, I would strike up another discussion and talk about the characters and what went on in the book. Why did the characters not want to share? What are some good things that came out of sharing? How did they feel when they shared? I would ask the students again about when people didn't want to share with them, how did they feel? And for the assessment, what we would do as a class is create a scenario and have maybe, for instance, 4 students which are playing Foursquare or playing a game, and then a 5th student comes up and wants to play and asks the students what should they do in that situation. And for the assessment, we could do multiple scenarios or create scenarios and have students get up and actually act it out. And for the materials, we would have props like maybe a ball, a toy, something that the students could share, and also the book, of course. And for my unit lesson plan, that's pretty much it. For the description of the assessment, like I said, it will be a scenario which the students will practice sharing objects in time, and they would answer what would a student do in a situation if somebody wanted to share with them. What is the appropriate, respectful, responsible thing to do? And the depth of knowledge level is 2, and the adaptations or accommodations would just be an ESL translator, somebody to help the other students understand what's going on. And that's it for my unit lesson plan.